Hello students. Today we will discuss about how to balance a chemical equation. Here I am going to discuss with this I am going to explain how to balance a chemical equation with an example. Okay. Here I am taking example of burning of magnesium in the presence of oxygen. Okay. So word equation we will write like this: magnesium when react with oxygen, it will form magnesium oxide. Whereas the skeletal equation in symbolic form, it is written like this: magnesium plus oxygen O2, it will form MgO. Now we have to balance this chemical equation, we have to balance. So we will follow the following steps. Okay, the first one is you have to count the number of atoms of each element on either side. Okay, it is convenient to start balancing with the molecule that contains the maximum number of atoms. For example, you can see here magnesium on the reactant side. Here is one magnesium only, whereas the if I talk about the number of oxygen, the two atoms are there of oxygen. Okay, so here I have written here magnesium, the one atom is there, whereas the oxygen, two atoms are there. If I talk about the product side, you can see here the magnesium oxide is formed having one magnesium atom and one oxygen atom here. Now our second step will be we will multiply the product side by 2, because we can see here oxygen is 2 and here in this side one oxygen is here to counterbalance, to balance the oxygen. So we will multiply the product side by 2. So here I am multiplying the product side by 2 and I am again writing now the number of atoms for each element. Okay, so here you can see magnesium having 1. Okay, but here on the product side, how many magnesium are there? 2 magnesium are there. Okay, and if I talk about oxygen, 2 oxygen are here and here also 2 oxygen. Okay, so means oxygen are balanced on the both side, on the reactant as well as on product side, but now we have to balance magnesium atom. So what I will do in the third step, I will multiply the magnesium atom on the left hand side by 2. So on multiplying it on the left hand side by 2, you can see here the number of atoms on the reactant side of each element. You can see here magnesium is equal to 2. 2 magnesium atoms are there, and oxygen, in case of oxygen we are also having 2 atoms, and in magnesium oxide on the product side you can see 2 magnesium are there and 2 oxygen are there. Okay, so in this way now you can see this equation is the balanced equation, because the number of atoms on the both sides of the reactant and product are the equal. And one important thing you have to note down here is whenever you are writing to balance the atoms of a molecule, you are neither supposed to insert the number in between the formula and nor by changing the formula. Okay, so you have to make it sure that you will not put a number here. For example, if you are balancing this equation, you are putting 2 here, that is wrong. And if you are making the oxygen the molecular form, that is also wrong. Okay, so the correct way is you can put the numerical value outside there. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.